Dear students of class here, I am Tripathi sir here going to teach you chapter number 13. The chapter name is sound. Now first question arises, what is sound? So you can say the sound is a type of energy which able to hear the things in nature. Now next question come, how is sound produced? So I'll tell you the sound will produce with vibration. If any particles vibrate, then sound will be produced. One more important thing, that sound requires some medium to travel. The medium can be either gaseous, liquid or solid, but without medium sound cannot travel. Once you will come to this page, you will come to the some various instrument like Jal Tarang, Ektara, Ghatam. They produce sound when they vibrate. After hitting them or after just beating them, whatever type of playing instruments are there, according to that they will produce sound after vibration. Now sound produced in our human body, so we are also producing sound, animals also producing sound. Here you will come to know how human body produces sound. For this there is construction in our neck that is known as larynx or voice box. In voice box, a narrow side exists. After speaking something, vibration is taking place with vocal cords, and therefore with vibration sound is getting produced. Now next question arises, how does sound travel? As I told you, sound required medium to travel, and it travels in form of waves. Waves going here and there by up and down waves. So these waves travel through the gases, water, liquids, as I told you earlier also. It is interesting to note that sound travels at speed of sound is influenced by the factors such as temperature, nature of the material and the physical state of the matter. So a sound can be produced different way in various things. Now come to this topic. Here you can understand, before the advent of modern instrument, many kinds of sound is being produced. Sorry. People used to press their ears against the ground and detected sound of the moving horses. Same way, some people just put their ear on the train line and they can observe the sound of train for a long period, because sound travels maximum in steel. Generally this made of iron on steel railway track, so speed is maximum in this, so they can observe. So a long distance train is coming, so sound can be heard through that. So a medium only required to sound travels from other pairs. Vacuum it cannot travels. Here you can see a chart how the sound travel, what is its speed in various medium. Air is a gas, so here is speed meter per second. In iron substance, sound travels 346 meter per second. In air it travels 346 meter per second. Iron it travels 5000 meter per second. Same way water it travels 1419 meter per second. Glass it travels 5000 meter per second. In aluminium material it travels 5000 meter per second, and diamond is maximum, it travels 12,000 meter per second. Diamond, you know, it is very costlier item. So in this travel, but nobody wants to travel in diamond. Generally, sound measurement can be taken. The main things: solid, liquid, and gases. That is air, water, and other solid substances like glass and iron, aluminum, etc. So, for today, this is enough. Next time, I am going to start after world. Thank you.